Welcome to another video, and we want to solve this problem given that 3 to the power x plus 4 to the power x equals 7 to the power x. So to solve for the value of x, you can just guess that x equals to 1, but how can we do this? So it's very simple. So the first thing we're going to do is to try to divide both sides by 7 raised to the power x. So here becomes 3 divided by 7 all raised to the power x plus this is 4 divided by 7 all raised to the power of x equals 1. So we have different method of doing this, but let's see this one first. So the next thing we're going to do here is, 3 divided by 7 here. So in decimal point, so it is on the on terminating decimal. But what I will do is, if I take to subtract 4 over 7 from 1, then we have this raised to power x plus, and similarly with this, so we are going to have this as 1 minus 3 divided by 7. So this one is also raised to power x, and everything equals to 1. And the next thing we are going to do here is, from here, if I try to apply a binomial expansions with this, so and that expansions is what you can use to solve this problem for each of these brackets. And the expression says if you have a plus b raised to power of n, so it is equals to a raised to power n plus n a raised to power of n minus 1 b raised to power 1 or b plus n bracket n minus 1 divide 2 factorial a raised to power of n minus 2, and we have b raised to power 2 plus this, how it continues like that. And given this, we are going to apply it in these two parentheses. For the first one, we have 1 minus 4 divided by 7 all raised to the power of x, as we know that a is 1 and b is minus 4 over 7, then n is just like x. So here we have a, which is 1 raised to the power of n, so we can just apply it as x. So plus here is x bracket 1 raised to the power of x minus 1, then b is minus 4 divided by 7 plus, and why this is x bracket x minus 1 divided by 2 factorial. So a is still 1 raised to the power of x minus 2, and here we have minus 4 divided by 7 raised to the power of 2 plus dot dot dot. And we know here, if we have 1 raised to the power of x, or let's say 1 raised to the power n, and out, so we have 1. Then here is minus, plus times minus is minus here, and 1 raised to the power of x minus 1 is still 1. Then here is minus 4x divided by 7. So for this is going to be plus. Then we have here is x bracket x minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, and 1 raised to the power n minus 2 is still 1. And why this is 16 divided by 49 plus dot dot dot. So on getting this, so we have third term here, and I'm going to truncate this to the first two terms in the expansion that we have. Okay, if I truncate it, so what we are going to have here is, so truncation means just like when we try to limit our scope to a particular thing. So, and we have 1 minus 4 over 7 raised to the power x. So when we truncate it, it's going to be greater than or equals to 1 minus 4x divided by 7. So the word greater than or equals to, when we try to plug in 1, so by plugging in 1 here, both of them are equal. And a number greater than 1, so that is 1 minus 4 over 7 will always greater than that. And by trying to apply it for the second one, so following the same process, we're going to have the result as 1 minus 3 divided by 7 raised to the power x, which is also greater than or equals to 1 minus 3x divided by 7. So when we now go for the equivalent side of this, so by neglecting the greater than for this, so suppose we limit ourselves to at x equals to 1, and which means we try to add 1 minus 4x over 7 plus 1 minus 3x over 7 based on what we have in the above. Then, so here we have 1 minus 4x divided by 7 plus 1 minus 3x divided by 7. Everything equals to 1. And looking at this, we can add 1 and 1 together, which is 2. And while this one is minus 4x minus 3x, that is minus 7x divided by 7, and everything becomes x equals 1. And looking at this, we know when we try to take minus 1 here and transfer x to the other side, so we have this, and x equals to 1. So which gives the solution to this problem as x equals to 1 when we apply the binomial expansion to solve this. So remember, we still have another way of doing this, but here is the shortest one and the most comprehensible one, I think. So thanks for watching, and if you have another way of doing this, you can drop it in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting questions like this. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.